Hi there, future YouTubers. Welcome to Vibe with Spider One, where we show you all the cool things you can do with YouTube. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube, even if you are just getting started. And trust me, it is going to be fun and easy. So grab some popcorn and sit back, or you get some chill drink, sit back, and let's dive in. Yes, permit me, because today my voice is not all that good, but I'm trying to bring you contents that you really need. So you are probably asking something like, what is YouTube monetization, or what is monetization? Well, monetization is just a big word for making money. And YouTube gives you money when people watch your videos, click on ads, or buy things through your links. That is what it means as monetization. Now, to make money, you need to do two things first. First thing is to get 1,000 subscribers. And this 1,000 subscribers, that is like having 1,000 friends watching your videos. And the number two is that you need to have 4,000 watch hours. And that means people have to watch your videos for a total of 4,000 hours. And that sounds a lot for you. But don't worry, I will show you how to do it fast. Now that you know how YouTube pays you, let us talk about something really important here, and what your channel will be about. You need to pick something fun and something you love. Yes. So do you love playing video games? Maybe you are good at drawing, or do you love making people laugh with funny jokes? Choose something you are good at and start making videos about it. And people love seeing others do fun things too. Yes. You don't need fancy camera or big lights to start. If you have a phone, you can start right now. Just hit that record button and start talking or showing your cool skills. Even big YouTubers started with their phones. So there's no need to even bother using big cameras or saying that YouTube is a big thing, they need quality camera or something like that. No, just make sure your videos are clear and that people can hear you. Try recording in a quiet place with good light, maybe near a window. Okay, now it is time for the exciting part and getting people to watch your videos and click that subscribe button. How do you do that, or how do you do it? It is easy. First, ask your friends, family, or even your classmates to watch and subscribe to your channel. They will help you get started. Next, make sure you post some videos often. You can do one video a week or even more. The more you post, the faster your subscribers will grow. Also, watch other YouTubers who do the same things as you do and leave fun comments. People will see your comment and come check out your channel or your content. Yes. Once you have started getting more views and subscribers, YouTube will let you put ads on your videos. You know those little commercials you see before a video starts? Well, you can get paid every time someone watches those ads. Whether the person click on your ad or he doesn't click on it, YouTube must pay you, because an ad has already popped on your video. And guess what? You can also make money by selling cool stuff like t-shirts with your channel name on it, or by talking about products that other companies send you. That is called a sponsorship. But the most important thing, my friends, is that to have fun. If you enjoy making your videos, people will love watching them. Don't worry if it takes time to get subscribers or views. Just keep going and stay creative. Keep trying new things and asking viewers what they want to see. And most importantly, believe in yourself. One day you could be the next big YouTuber. That is it for today. Future YouTubers, I hope you are ready to go out there and start making your own videos. Remember, keep posting and keep having fun, and before you know it, you will be making money just like the pros. So if you learned something today, give this video a big thumb, smash that subscribe button, and then hit the bell, and then so that you don't miss out on more awesome tips of videos on my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.